The all-new 2024 BMW X6 SUV, the ultimate luxury experience. Hey everyone, welcome back to CarsForUs. Today we've got something special for you as we delve into the world of luxury SUVs with our comprehensive review of the all-new 2024 BMW X6M. Exterior. Let's kick things off with a closer look at the exterior. Under the hood of this magnificent machine resides a formidable twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The powerhouse of an engine produces an awe-inspiring 617 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 553 pound-feet of torque. In terms of fuel economy, you're looking at 13 miles per gallon in city drive and a respectable 18 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an impressive balance of performance and efficiency. Now, let's turn our attention to the front end. The body lines of the X6M come to life with the striking matte finish, giving it an undeniable presence on the road. The iconic BMW logo takes center stage, serving as a symbol of sheer luxury and power. Below the logo, the new headlights demand attention with their distinctive design. The blacked-out grille and the bold X6M badge enhance the overall aggressive appearance. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this revamped front fascia. It's a true head-turner. As we move around to the side profile, you'll notice a fully staggered wheel setup, 295/35R21 tires in the front and massive 315/30R22 tires in the rear. The wheel design is a work of art, boasting intricate details. The black painted brake calipers seamlessly blend with the vehicle's theme. The body-colored fender flare and the M colors, along with the petite M logo in the rear, add an extra layer of sportiness. The blacked-out window trim and mirror caps contribute to the X6M's sleek and athletic side profile. Take a moment to appreciate the coupe-like design. It's truly striking. Now, let's explore the key fob. It's not just a key, it's a remote command center with functions for locking, unlocking, and even remote starting. This key fob adds an extra layer of convenience to your ownership experience. There's even a dedicated button for the rear hatch, which we'll get into in a moment. And speaking of the hatch, it comes with a built-in cargo cover proudly displaying the X6 logo, a subtle touch of elegance. Simply press the button and the hatch gracefully lowers. Moving to the rear, you can't miss the stylish spoiler, the prominent BMW logo, and the X6M competition badge, which signify the vehicle's pedigree. The taillights are a design marvel, wrapping around the rear end for a visually captivating effect. But what truly steals a show are the commanding exhaust tips and the aggressive diffuser. What are your impressions of the X6M's new rear styling? It's a symphony of luxury and sportiness. Interior. Let's step inside this luxurious beast and explore the interior of the 2024 BMW X6M. Starting with the rear door panel, you'll immediately notice the sunshade for rear passengers, providing comfort and privacy. The extensive use of leather trim throughout the cabin exudes luxury. Carbon fiber accents and the presence of a Bowers and Wilkins speaker add to the premium feel. The grab handle is not just functional, it's also a unique design element that makes a statement. Take a look at the rear seats. They're a testament to opulence, featuring perforated leather and seat belts adorned with M colors, legroom in the rear ports for your devices, and dual-zone climate controls. Legroom in the rear is ample, and there's even a convenient storage pocket, USB ports for your devices, and dual-zone climate control, ensuring a comfortable ride for your rear passengers. Plus, heated seats and a convenient cup holder armrest enhance the overall experience. Now, let's shift our attention to the front door panel. It mirrors the rear door's design, complete with the distinctive grab handle making an unmistakable statement. The placement of window controls and mirror adjustments is intuitive, ensuring ease of use. Memory seats and massaging seats are thoughtful additions, enhancing your comfort and driving pleasure. The M logo atop the seats signals performance, and the attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the interior. Let's take a closer look at the driver's seat. The steering wheel boasts premium leather with M colors, and the M logo at the bottom adds a sporty touch. Carbon fiber paddle shifters provide an engaging and tactile driving experience. The M1 and M2 buttons allow you to customize your driving preferences with ease. On the practical side, you'll find controls for cruise and other essential functions. Speaking of practicality, the digital gauge cluster provides a modern and customizable view of crucial information. It's akin to a virtual reality experience, offering various display modes to suit your preferences. Whether you're in road mode, sport mode, or track mode, the X6M's digital cluster adapts seamlessly to your driving style. And let's not forget the handy backup camera, featuring dynamic steering lines and a 360-degree view, making parking and maneuvering effortless. The impressive backup assistant is an added safety feature that provides an extra layer of confidence. Now, let's explore the infotainment system. BMW has equipped the X6M with a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through menus a breeze. The shortcut bar on the side simplifies access to key functions, while the climate controls are always at your fingertips. The elegant dash features leather trim, carbon fiber accents, and well-designed vents that complement the interior's premium feel. The center console houses heated and cooled cup holders, a wireless phone charger, and additional storage space for your convenience. Don't forget to check out the glove box, providing even more room for your essentials. Up top, you'll find a panoramic sunroof that enhances the cabin's openness, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The premium headliner adds a touch of luxury to the overall ambience. Price. Before we hit the road and experience the X6M's performance firsthand, let's take a quick look at the window sticker. The base price for the 2024 BMW X6M competition starts at $127,200. However, with the additional options on this particular model, the total price comes to $144,760. Considering the level of performance and luxury offered, this price makes the X6M a compelling choice in its segment. Driving experience. Now let's talk about what truly matters, the driving experience. But before we set off, it's essential to discuss visibility. The X6M offers excellent visibility with a heads-up display providing critical information along with blind spot monitoring and well-placed mirrors. As we hit the road, you'll immediately feel the power of the twin-turbo V8 engine under the hood. The acceleration is nothing short of thrilling. With 617 horsepower at your command, the steering is tight and responsive, a characteristic shared with all M cars, giving you a precise and sporty feel. The suspension, while firm, manages to provide a comfortable and planted ride over various road surfaces. Switching between driving modes is a delight, from road to sport to track. Each mode not only alters the vehicle's performance, but also changes the animations on the digital gauge cluster, adding to the excitement. The X6M handles bumps and corners with ease, showcasing its impressive damping capabilities. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the X6M offers a thrilling and dynamic driving experience. In summary, the 2024 BMW X6M is an exceptional fusion of luxury and performance. It boasts a stunning exterior design, a sumptuous and meticulously crafted interior, and a thrilling driving experience that sets it apart in the competitive luxury SUV segment. If you're in the market for a high-performance SUV that doesn't compromise on style and comfort, the X6M is a compelling choice. Conclusion. And there you have it, our in-depth review of the all-new 2024 BMW X6M. With its commanding power, opulent interior, and exhilarating driving dynamics, the X6M is a force to be reckoned with in the world of luxury SUVs. If you're seeking a vehicle that seamlessly combines performance and style, this SUV should undoubtedly be on your radar. If you enjoyed this comprehensive review, we invite you to subscribe to CarsForUs, where we bring you fresh automotive content every single day. Additionally, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. What do you think of the 2024 BMW X6M, and would you like to see more reviews like this? Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.